Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Reviews, and today I'm here with a brand new box. Okay, I'm super excited. This is called Obachan, and their website's like Get Obachan. It's a Japanese subscription box. They're curated collections that are sent directly from Japan. They're all different. Everyone is unique. They include things like stationery, housewares, just interesting things from Japan. And you know I'm all about that. If it's things that you can't find here, and I'm not traveling, I got 4 kids. I just love the idea that you can get that. So this is actually a promo box. So this is not like something you'd get in a, this is not one of their monthly boxes. This is something they got put together as like a sampling to send out to reviewers to share with you guys. But if this were their monthly box, it would be $35.99 a month. And then there are reduced prices the longer you subscribe. So that's for one, month to month. All right, so it did come also, since it ships directly from Japan, you're going to get it wrapped in parcel paper with the customs labels and all that stuff on it. So there's that. I am so excited. So you open it up, and right here we have like, there's this that little thing, and then the card that says, hey, it's Obachan, and then it's with love from Japan. Super cute. But when you, like, this is a little envelope. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. And it says, Ashley, we hope you add some light to your life with our curated collection of homewares. Obachan. Isn't that adorable? Oh, I like it so much already. All right, let's get in there. I am so excited. Can you tell? All right. First we have, oh, is this one of those little things? I don't want to take it out of the bag, but it's, you take it and you try to catch it. So there's that. That's cute. I've never seen one like this. It's like real solid plastic. Usually ours are like, I feel like they're like more wooden. Okay. And then we've got this pretty little plate. I wish I knew a little bit more. I'm going to look on their website and see if I can find anything about each of these items. So this is a little like a ring dish, I'm going to say. It's actually also a really cool way. I'm going to keep pulling this paper off. Isn't this pretty? How pretty is that? My dining room, I don't know if you guys, I know somebody once was like, why don't you just film some videos in those rooms so we can actually see them? I'm sorry, I know. My kids are always in those rooms, so, and it's not happening. It's blue and orange. I know that sounds crazy, but it looks really cool. This would work in there. So pretty. All right, what's next? Something that's sealed. I don't know what it is. I'm not sure if this is for, it looks almost like a rest. Like, you ever see those Chopsticks rests? But it also looks like something baked, and then like, like you bake something and it opens in the top, it splits and cracks and like cheese comes out. Looks like a baked good. I really don't know. I'm going to have to look that up. I'm sorry, I feel bad. Okay, then we have some chopsticks, and these are natural wood chopsticks. There's not, I can't read it, so, but it says natural wood, duh. I just said that, duh. But there's little fishies on them. Aren't they cute? So these are cool. I don't know what they're made with. It doesn't look like bamboo, but they're like polished. You know what I mean? They're like glazed. They're really pretty. Really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. All right. Oh, how cool is this? A little bookmark? Look at the little prints on it. Isn't it pretty? Oh, I love this. I'm going to have to find out more about the items and then let you guys know. I'll put that all down below, or I'll link to my review where you can check that out. So this is, I'm thinking this is a napkin. So what I'm guessing, okay, is this is supposed to be like something you're going to eat off of this. And then this is like all for your kitchen. And then this is like your napkin. And then, because look at, it matches, right? And isn't that pretty? This I found, there was something else I received, like it's a very like, I think this is like a a more traditional Japanese design, because I do have things that were sent from Japan before that mimic this same sort of a design. I don't know the name of it. It's really cool though. It's almost like an optical illusion. I like that. And somehow I think this works into it, because I think this is for these. But maybe not. I could be wrong. I don't know everything. But that's what it looks like to me. I don't know. I'm going to have to find out and let you guys know. I think that's everything in here. Yeah, so this is really cute. I need to know more though, and then I will put that down below for you guys to know. Let me know your thoughts of the box. I'm always curious to hear what you guys think. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.